Well, welcome back. Right now, I'm gonna do a little bumper exit quick disconnect for 9904 Mustangs. I noticed that my bumper the little clips that hold it on kind of snapped off as I was driving. It's an old bumper. Instead of buying a whole new bumper or trying to just mess with it, I just went online and purchased a little quick connect, and I'll just show you how to install it. So I went on Amazon, and this is the little kit that I got. It kind of goes with my, my theme, my wheels, and all that. So doesn't really need much to install. So I got one of these little kits right here. It comes with a, little bit drivers, and I got some tools behind me to hold the nut. But it's really, really simple. And as you can see, my bumper itself is just, kind of just dangling. So I'm just gonna film it and have this part connected up here so it can hold it, and I'll do it into the other side. So yeah, stay tuned. And there you have it. It took me maybe 15 minutes. You do a little bit of measurements and stuff like that just to make sure you want to have some nice tension on it. You know what I mean? Like, if it's loose, then you defeated the purpose. But it's really simple. You can cross these. Some people just crisscross them or do it straight. It really doesn't matter. The tension is kind of the same. It didn't really change much. But I needed something because the tabs in the back of it kind of broke. So I want something to hold up. And it actually came out pretty good, man. I really like the color. Like I said, it goes with my wheels, it goes with my exhaust, my bezel, all that. So, but yeah, I think it came out pretty well. I gotta, because of the exhaust being dumped right there, I gotta trim back some of the fender well to kind of clean that up. But for the most part, I think it came out pretty well. On to the next side.